Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to review another Dulux paint color, and I'm also going to show you how you can create and use this color in a color scheme. You can use this beautiful color in an open space living, and let me show you what I would do. So the color that I have chosen for today, it's called China White. The first thing we're going to do is always have a white background, have a pure white from Dulux, which is vivid white, and we're going to put our color next to it, because the first thing we want to do is see what undertone is coming through. And we can definitely see that this is almost like the warmest of the beiges with the green undertone. It definitely has a beautiful soft green undertone. So if I bring it closer, you can see. So that is the first thing we're going to do. The second thing we are going to do is look at the LRV. LRV for this color is 75, which is telling us it's really bright. That is very important. So we can use it on an open space living. Now, as for the architrave skirtings and doors, I would use a crisp white. And the reason for that is because we already have an undertone in this color. You are only allowed to bring one more undertone into the space, and the rest you have worked with color. Because in the open space living, we can mix two undertones, and the rest we need to bring in the color. So let me show you, this is just as an example. If you don't like this particular fabric, it doesn't really matter. You can use whatever makes your heart skip a bit. So this is a beautiful fabric from Warwick. As you can see, it has lots of two beautiful neutrals and a little bit of color. So let's say what I have done, just to explain it to you, and the reason I have chosen China White is because I want to use the neutral that is in the leaves. And when I tested, it was China White that matched this perfectly. Let me just... All right, great. So now we have another neutral here. And that neutral, I've tested it, it's a gray with the blue undertone. So let's say if you have a sofa in your space and it's a gray with the blue undertone, perfect, you can use this color. This particular fabric, it's also good to use as on drapes, as a drapery. So it's absolutely stunning. And that is how you can also use it on ottomans. You can use it, you can create two lovely armchairs, you can create some cushions, whatever. If that inspires you, have a look at all the colors. But what I have just said before, that it has another undertone, which is a gray with a blue undertone, that is why it's very important for us to have a look what neutrals we already have in a space, because we can't have more than two. That is the reason many times when I get a phone call from a client, they say, oh, I don't like it. I have purchased so many cushions. I have gone to the shop and returned it and bought the new ones. The reason you are not liking the space is because you are bringing too many undertones that don't like each other. Certain neutrals do not like to be paired up together. But in this case, these two neutrals work really well together. Now start looking at the other colors. So I can see a bit of green. So let's say if you're going to use this particular fabric on drapes, then we can use this color, for example, to create ottoman or cushions. So I would bring that in. Then we also have almost like a lovely mustardy color, or it almost looks like gold. So I have this fabric from Warwick, which you don't need to use it as a fabric, but it can inspire you maybe to bring a little bit of gold in and have some artwork, or maybe frame some family photos with a gold frame. So you put that on, and as you can see, it's all really lovely and warm and coming together. And let's say if you have flooring and you want to bring a rug, I have a sample of this beautiful rug that it has really this warm neutral, and it has a beige with a green undertone, which would work really well in this space. So you can see how well I have repeated all the colors. I have two neutrals that I'm working with in the space, and as for the architrave skirtings and doors, pure white. Now this particular color would work with any type of flooring because it has that lovely green undertone, and whether you have a bit of red undertone coming through orange or yellow, this color would work really well. As for your rugs or carpet, sorry, in your bedrooms, it would work really well if you have, let's say, a gray with the blue undertone or beige with the green undertone. That's where this color would work really well. As for the other undertones, not so much. So that is why it is really important for us to understand the undertones and how they work. Now, as for the outside of your home, this color would work really well. It's very bright. It would look even brighter outside. LRV is very high. It would work really well with black windows and white windows if you just want to use it as a singular color. And that is pretty much it, what I need to tell you about this color. I hope this is all inspired you. Make sure and understand that the paint color is the last thing you choose, not the first thing you choose. And I wish you all a lovely day, and I'll see you in another video. Ciao for now.